Terrifying way to wake up. Gunfire from an assault rifle. Bullets ripped through a house in this neighborhood overnight. The gang unit called in, but no clue as to why this home was targeted. Channel 9's Glenn Counts is live in University City for us, talking with homeowners. Glenn, what are they telling you?
Well, Elsa, normally this is a peaceful neighborhood, but it certainly wasn't that way early this morning. Police spent a large chunk of the morning out here trying to figure out what happened and why. Now, just before 2 a.m., officers think that several gunmen sprayed at least 3 houses with gunfire, and at least one of the weapons had to be a high-powered assault rifle because the bullets traveled through multiple walls. Fortunately, no one was hurt, but the loud gunfire woke several neighbors up, including Willetta Jones, whose home is located behind the house that was targeted.
Then at 1:50, I heard pow, 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 very loudly. And so I jumped up and I looked out the window and I looked out the other window and I didn't see anything. And so I went back to bed. And then about 2:20, I heard a loud banging on my door. I thought it was more gunshots.
Actually, that banging was the police knocking on her door, and as it turns out, one of the rounds went through her garage door, through several walls, and landed into the hallway. Like police said, we're very fortunate here that no one was hurt. Elsa?
All right, Glenn Counts live for us in University City. Thanks, Glenn.